So my name is Becca Williams. I have been on the farm here now for 6 years. We are a 400-acre farm. We have Welsh black cattle, 700 sheep and 82 deer. I chose to do marketing red meat, and the main reason for that was when we were looking into how to market the deer, I googled red meat and found that the first response was about bowel cancer, which I thought was a big negative, and wanted to look into what is already being done and what we can do as individuals to help the industry. So I travelled a bit around the UK. I went to England and Wales. I was hoping to get up to Scotland, but unfortunately didn't get there. But I learned a lot where I went anyway, speaking to HCC, Dr. Food and Waitrose as well. I learned about how we shouldn't be panicking too much about food trends, with the meat market supposed to grow in the next 5 years by 25 billion, whereas plant-based meat substitutes market will only grow by just 5 billion. HCC told me about how they are marketing towards young mums who think about sustainability and the health of the food that they're putting on the table, as well as they are targeting gym goers and foodies who are looking for protein and high quality food, as well as the older generation who have spare income available. One more thing which I thought was really interesting was how we can learn from the white meat market. Chicken has turned into using nuggets, whereas lamb and beef we sell our joints as shoulders and ribs, which are more body parts. If the opportunity arises for us to have open days on the farm, and especially kids in the next generation, I think I've learnt that it's really important to educate them, as well as being open to other open days or learning from other farmers and sharing knowledge together, as well as learning what affects the price that we get from the market, what else goes on around the world that then has a knock-on effect on us. I definitely recommend the Management Exchange. Everyone was really supportive and gave me as many contacts and information as they could, and just go for it, the opportunity's there and take it.